Ever wanted to add more context to your Elementor website without cluttering your designs? Tooltips are the perfect solution. Today, we are going to learn how to create advanced tooltips. Let's get started. Before we jump into the setup, make sure you have both Elementor and ElementsKit right installed in your website. So yeah, these all are installed here. Then as it is a module, that's why you have to make sure that the advanced tooltip module is toggled on here, and then you have to click save changes right of this. So this advanced tooltip is basically complete with images, sub-content and custom animations, which is designed using ElementsKit. So here you can let me show you some examples of advanced toolkit. See, whenever I am just taking my mouse there, you can see there are texts which are literally shown to us in the screen. So these are the text here, the tooltip users where it's a team member, and then look, whenever I'm just putting my cursor, the name of the person is like popping out in the page. So let me show you some other examples. Whenever you are like putting your cursor there, there's a picture which is popping out. See? So it is basically using with the image hover. So yeah, that is what a tooltip works. So let me show you how this feature works. This module is specially built in ElementsKit. So let me show you this. I'm just clicking the picture. Then I have to go to the advanced option. After going to the advanced option, I have to search for the advanced tooltip. And here is the option which is set to yes. As like if you want to enable the advanced tooltip, you have to click yes. Otherwise, you just click the no here. Then we have the settings and then styles. For this, here we can see that content is written, and the content is basically the person's name, the team member's name here. So if you want to change the name, you can change it from here also. Then we have the sub-content. Suppose the team member is the CEO of this company. So if I want to mention this, I just have to click there. See, hands-on date, his position is CEO, which is also coming out in this tooltip. Well, after that, you can choose images if you want any, and you have to choose it from your library. And picture is also shown here with the name of the person, but if you don't need, you just have to delete this one. I don't need any picture with this, so I'm deleting this. Now the position, you can choose the position like top, bottom, left and right. So any position you can like choose. I'm showing you with the bottom one. See, this is now showing in the bottom, but the top one look okay. Then the animation, which is set to fade, but you have options like perspective, scale, shift away and like shift toward. So I like the fade one, so let's keep it like that. Then we have arrow, and finally the trigger on, which is basically set to hover, but if you set to click whenever you are moving. See this one, the name is not showing, but I'm clicking this one. See, it has arrived, and that's why I think the hover option goes so well with it. And let's keep it like that. So this is basically for the tooltips. Now what you need to check the responsiveness in mobile portrait. Whenever I'm going there, see all the names and the contents are showing up here without any disturbance or distortion, because ElementsKit is the best plugin ever. It won't create this problem to you. Well, we have the tablet portrait option here. All the settings and the contents are properly visible without any interruption. Finally, the desktop, which I was working for last few minutes. We have already seen this one, and everything looks perfect together. And that was it for the advanced tooltip module. It is that easy to give your visitors clear, concise details without overwhelming your page layout. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more WordPress tips. See you in the next video.